Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day down here in Mississippi. The high today is about 75. It's about 50 this morning when we got up. It's nice and cool. We're on a little early morning dove hunt. I'll give y'all a shot of the field, but that's not what today's about, actually. Got a surprise for you guys. I got something. It's nice, and I'm glad to have it. Been too long. So I'm going to get around to showing you that here in a little bit. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Hope all you guys are having a good day. We're having some fun, spending some time with the family out here doing this. It's actually the second time that we've hunted this field in the morning. The first video is on my computer, but my computer's too slow to edit it because I shot it on my GoPro. So just like my trip to Florida/Georgia is on my computer, shot on the GoPro mostly, and I can't edit it. But since I got into college, I'm going to be going to be a nurse. I'm an RN. I'll have to get a new computer, so I'll be able to edit those and get them out, but it's going to be later on in the year before I can do that. So we're just going to have to continue with content without those videos. So, you know, it is what it is. I can't do much about it. But yeah, I hope y'all are having a super great day. I mean, it's beautiful out here today. And I hope you're all taking it easy and enjoying life like you should be. But I'm going to give y'all a little shot of the field, and then we'll get on to showing you what I really got to show you. Guys, here's your little shot of the field. We got all our decoys and stuff. There's a mojo. There's actually a T-stand right there with some decoys on it that you can't really see. I'm on the south end of the field. The field runs north to south. I'm on the south end of the field. There's another field over there by that power line. It's not as green as this one. We didn't bust this back up because the birds were still coming to it pretty good. But most of us limited out the first time we shot it. We're hunting it again, so the younger kids have an option, you know, to shoot at some stuff, and it ain't all serious like it is opening day. We're also going to hunt it again on Halloween, which will be really cool. I'll try to video that a little more on my phone so we can actually get the footage so it doesn't get stuck on my computer. But yeah, this is the dove field. It's a nice, beautiful blue sky morning. It's nice and cool. All right, guys, I told you I had a surprise coming for you. So here it is. It's Project Babe. She is back from the transmission shop, finally. Looking like her same old self, but running and driving way better. They got her all fixed up. She's doing real good. And we don't have much left to do to it before we strictly start doing what it looks like. We need to do a steering shaft, rear brakes, and an AC compressor. Then we can worry about paint, body, and a lift kit, and my wheels and tires. Speaking of tires, I've had these tires for almost a year now. These Travel Stars, little tire update for these tires, they're crap. They are complete crap. I'll do a full video on them later to give you a full update on them. But yeah, they're crap. Top of just getting her back, we had to do a few updates ourselves. Transmission shop guy recommended doing. So I'm going to show you what those were and explain why. Change our battery ends, our battery terminals. I used to have the ones that you kind of clamp on, you bolt down here and here. And those are junk. Those are for emergency situations only. They were actually causing me a lot of electrical issues. These are solder on, so it has a little pellet that goes in here. You heat this up, push the wire in it, and it stays in there real good. It makes a really good connection. So we had to do that to all 4 of the battery terminals. Here and here too. I wrapped them with a little electrical tape, make them look a little better. And we changed the fuel filter just because it was time. Alright guys, so that's going to about do us for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and check out my Instagram. It's always linked in the description below. It's great to have Project Babe back, so there's going to be plenty more content coming on it. And y'all stay frosty, and I'll see you next time.